Unit 1, Exercise 1, check settings for countries and currencies. As the project team member in charge of logistic application, you are responsible for general settings, which include the setting for countries and currencies. Check the general settings. 1. Which date and which decimal format are used in Germany DE? So in the customizing, ABAP platform, general settings, set countries, and define country and region. So here we have the DE Germany. In what we find, general settings, general data, properties, address format, and date format and decimal character. So the date format is day, month, year, and the decimal format is this one. Good. 2. Which exchange rate type are used to determine the exchange rate for the following currency pair? View this information for the course type M. So back here, currencies, define translation ratio for currency translation. Okay. We have here the Swiss franc to euro ratio from 1 to ratio 1. That's for the first line. We are going to position GBP to euro. Here we have GBP to euro ratio from 1 to 1, and this is alternative exchange rate type. Good. And the last one, US dollar to Canadian dollar ratio from 1 to ratio 1. Good. 3. Create the header of a purchase order for supplier 1008. Which exchange rate is used and what happened if you select the exchange rate fixed checkbox? So here we are going to manage purchase order, create, the supplier. We can see that we have here British pound, and in the delivery and invoice we have the exchange rate here, and it depends if we check this box. It depends. Okay, check the determination step for subtract 3. So we are going to discard this one and go back in the customizing, enter exchange rate. Here we're looking for GBP to euro, and the exchange rate fixed checkbox depend of if it is an indirect quoted exchange rate or a direct quoted exchange rate. Okay, that's it for this one.